Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs easily. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need very fresh eggs, a medium-sized pot, and a slotted spoon. Also, prepare a small bowl for each egg you plan to poach. This simple setup ensures a smooth cooking process and perfect results every time. Next, let's prepare the poaching water. Fill your pot with about 3 inches of water. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set quickly. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, where small bubbles form at the bottom, but avoid a vigorous boil. Maintaining this temperature is key for tender eggs. Now for the poaching itself. Carefully crack each egg into its individual small bowl. This prevents the yolk from breaking. Gently slide each egg into the simmering water, one at a time. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a bit longer if you prefer a firmer consistency. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove each poached egg with a slotted spoon. Gently dab the bottom on a paper towel to remove any excess water. Serve your beautiful poached eggs immediately on your favorite toast, with avocado, or as part of a delicious breakfast. Enjoy your perfectly poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.